Agile Project Manager Xing on the Start Page team. I would highly recommend Lead's whole team quality workshop. It really brought the team a lot closer together. It taught everyone way more about what quality actually means, and that it's not just a single part of the entire development process, but is really something to be worked on together as an entire group. I think the team is really excited to do more pairing, to focus more on quality with both product and QA and the developers, and really build it into the entire process, because it's something that needs to be worked in to the product, to the process, and to the mindsets of the people. So I'm really looking forward to seeing the fruits of the workshop.